Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn about Linux directory structure. So let's get going. First thing we want to do is log in. Once logged in, the first command we're going to type in is called pwd, and it stands for print working directory. What it does, it tells us where in the system we are currently located. And you can see at the moment we're located in the root directory, which is the home directory of the root user. So far we have learned a command called pwd, and we know what it does. The next command we're going to learn is called cd. What cd does, it allows us to move around the system in different directories. So the first command we're going to learn is called cd /. What this command does, it takes us to the root directory of Linux. And to view the content of this folder, we want to type in ls. And it shows us different directories it has inside. A, fs, boot, etc, and so on. By default, command ls doesn't really show us some of the hidden files, so let's improve on this command by adding some arguments. And we do so by typing ls space -alt. Now we can finally talk about what each one of these directories does and what their purpose is. The first directory we see is called tmp. It stands for temporary, and it's temporary space typically cleared on reboots. The second directory is called run. It stores volatile runtime data. The third folder is called etc. It stands for system configuration files. So basically all the files that configure your system. Directory dev stands for allocation of the device files. So pretty much things like your hard drives would be stored there. Sys Directory, it's basically a virtual file system. Proc is virtual and pseudo file system that contains info about the running processes with a specific process ID or PID. The root directory, it's a home directory of the root user. The home directory, it's a home directory for all of the users on the server. The next directory is called var, and it basically logs files and it's continuously updated. Boot directory contains all boot related information and folders. MNT is temporary mount directory for mounting the file system. Directory OPT, it's for optional and third-party software. Directory USR, it's for user-related programs and software. Directory bin, it's for essential user binaries. Directory lib, it's for essential shared binaries. Directory media, it's used for removal media devices such as CDs and USBs. Directory SRV contains data for service provided by the system. Now that we have a better understanding of the Linux directory structure, in the next video we're going to learn about basic Linux commands.